Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on managerial economics. This is part first. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Managerial economics mainly deals with the analytical tools because it is dash nature A micro, B macro, C pragmatic, D positive. The correct option is C pragmatic. 2. The process of selecting a particular course of action from a number of alternatives is dash A follow up, B. Decision making. C. Evaluation. D. None. The correct option is B. Decision making. 3. Dash cost varies only when there is an alternative. A. Marginal. B. Opportunity. C. Equimarginal. D. None. The correct option is B. Opportunity. 4. Production may be defined as an act of dash A. Creating utility. B. Earning profit. C. Destroying profit. D. None. The correct option is A. Creating utility. 5. Dash is the power of commodity to satisfy human wants. A. Value. B. Utility. C. Willingness. D. None. The correct option is B. Utility. 6. The most of the production functions measure A. The productivity of factors of production. B. Economics of scale. C. Relation between physical inputs and physical output. D. None. The correct option is C. Relation between physical inputs and physical output. 7. A long run analysis of production is dash A. Economics of scale. B. Law of variable proportion. C. Law of return to scale. D. None. The correct option is C. Law of return to scale. 8. The word elasticity means A. Usefulness. B. Willingness. C. Responsiveness. D. None. The correct option is C. Responsiveness. 9. The change in demand due to change in price when other factors remain constant is known as A. Increase in demand. B. Decrease in demand. C. Extension and contraction of demand. D. None. The correct option is C. Extension and contraction of demand. 10. If a very small fall in price leads to an unlimited increase in demand, the elasticity is dash A. Perfectly elastic demand. B. Unit elasticity. C. Relatively elastic demand. D. None. The correct option is C. Relatively elastic demand. 11. If a commodity has substitutes, the demand for that commodity will be A. Inelastic. B. Elastic. C. Unitary elastic. Or D. None. Correct option is C. Inelastic. 12. Advertisement elasticity is otherwise called dash elasticity. A. Promotional. B. Cross elasticity. C. Zero income elasticity. Or D. None. Correct option is A. Promotional. 13. The substitute goods have dash cross elasticity. A. Positive. B. Negative. C. Zero. D. None. Correct option is A. Positive. 14. Dash level forecasting may be done at business conditions prevailing in the entire economy. A. Micro. B. Macro. C. Firm. D. None. The correct option is B. Macro. 15. Dash forecasting helps to make necessary changes in the sales, purchasing, pricing, etc. A. Short term. B. Long term. C. Market period. D. None. The correct option is A. Short term. 16. Dash is the most extensively used method of demand forecasting in India. A. Survey method. B. Deneat projection method. C. Evolutionary method. Or D. None. Correct option is A. Survey method. 17. Dash is a statistical technique which make use of past data forecasting. A. Economic indicators. B. Controlled experiment. C. Trend projection method. D. None. Correct option is C. Trend projection method. 18. Dash the process of transferring the inputs like land, labor, capital and organization into output. A. Distribution. B. Supply. C. Production. D. None. Correct option is C. Production. 19. Dash production function is the statistical production function, that is Q is equal to K L to the power A to the power 1 minus A. So here correct option is C. Actually this is Cobb-Douglas production function. 20. According to Cobb-Douglas production function, nearly dash of the increase in output is due to the labor input. A. 25%, B. 75%, C. 100%, D. None. The correct option is B. 75%. 21. The short run increases in production by increasing the variable input against a given quantity of fixed output dash A. Law of returns, B. Law of variable proportion, C. Law of return to scale, D. None. The correct option is B. Law of variable proportion. 22. The up and downs in the economic activity moving like a wave at regular intervals is known as dash A. Business cycles, B. Fiscal theory, C. Psychic theory, D. None. Correct option is A. Business cycles. 23. The proponent of monetary theory is dash A. Professor R.G. Hawtrey, B. Professor A.C. Pigou, C. Joseph Schumpeter, or D. None. Correct option is A. Professor R.G. Hawtrey. 24. Psychological theory put forward by A. A.C. Pigou, B. Joseph Schumpeter, C. J.M. Keynes, or D. None. Correct option is A. A.C. Pigou. 25. Dash theory is one of the oldest explanations of business cycles. A. Climatic theory, B. Innovation, C. Hicks, or D. None. Correct option is A. Climatic theory. 26. A high value of cross elasticity indicates that the two commodities are dash A. Close substitutes, B. Good components, C. Completely unrelated, D. None. Correct option is A. Close substitutes. 27. The vertical demand curve for commodities shows that its demand is dash A. Highly elastic, B. Perfectly inelastic, C. Fairly, D. Moderately. Correct option is B. Perfectly inelastic. 28. Utility may be defined as dash the power of commodity to satisfy wants, B. Usefulness of a commodity, C. The level of satisfaction given by a commodity, or D. The desire of a commodity. Correct option is A. The power of a commodity to satisfy wants. 29. The economic analysis accepts the consumer to behave in a manner which is A. Rational, B. Irrational, C. Emotional, D. Indifferent. Correct option is A. Rational. 30. Law of diminishing marginal utility states the correct option is C. Utility first increases and after that diminishes at every point. This was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.